With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, the problem states that a particle of mass m is moving with the speed 2v and collides with a mass 2m moving with the speed v in the same direction. After collision, the first mass is stopped completely, while the second one splits in two particles each of mass m, which move at an angle 45 degree with respect to the original direction. So we have to find the speed of each of the moving particle will be what. So let's understand the situation first. We have two particles. Let's call them particle A and B. So we are drawing first the before situation. So let's say this is the particle A and this is the particle B. Okay. So particle A has mass m and particle B has mass 2m. So as what given to us, particle A is moving with the speed 2v and particle B is moving with the speed v in the same direction. So now these two masses collide, and after the collision the first mass is stopped completely. So after situation is first mass, that means the particle A whose mass was m, it is stopped completely, that means it is at rest, and particle B whose mass is 2m, right, it splits into two particles. Each of the mass m are moving at an angle 45 degree with respect to the original direction. So instead of particle B, now we are having two masses m and n, and they are moving at an angle 45 degree with respect to the initial direction of motion. So that means it is moving, first part is moving like this, second part is moving like this, and from symmetry we can say they will be having what, same speed. So this is how the particle B is moving after the collision. So what we have to find? We have to find the speed of each particle. I'm calling it as, let's say, v dash. Okay, so we have to find the value of v dash. So what we can do? We can conserve the momentum by taking this as the x direction and this as the y direction. So taking A and B as a system, net external force on the system is 0. That's why momentum will be constant. So first let's see the momentum in x direction. So what is the initial momentum in x direction? So particle A is moving with the speed 2v, so its momentum will be m into 2v. Right. Similarly, particle B is moving with the speed, its mass is 2m, and moving with the speed v. Right. So this is the initial momentum in x direction, and after collision, the particle A is moving in x direction with the speed 0, and particle B will be moving. Now instead of particle B there are two masses, so they are moving like this is what, v dash cos 45, and this is also v dash by cos 45. Same with the lower mass, so it has v dash cos 45 and v dash cos 45. Okay, so momentum in x direction would be mv dash by root 2 plus mv dash by root 2, so that is 2m into v dash by root 2. Correct. So we can see that this is 2mv plus 2mv, so which is 4mv is equals to 2m into v dash by root 2. So from here v dash value will become what? 2 root 2 times of v. Right. And in y direction also we can see momentum, initial momentum, since A and B do not have their velocity along the y direction, so initial momentum is 0. And finally A is at rest, its momentum will be 0. If we'll see the B particle has m into v dash by root 2 in plus y direction, but at the same time m into v dash by root 2 in minus y direction as well. So final momentum as a whole will be 0. Right? So in the problem we had to find the value of v dash. Okay, so that is 2 root 2v. So which is given to us in the option B. Right. I hope this helps you with the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.